In this video, we're going to look at 4 ways in which you can edit PDF files without having to pay extra fees or sign up for additional services. There are 4 ways in which you can do this. The first being to edit PDF files in Google Drive. The second being using Microsoft Word, assuming you have Office 365. The third being LibreOffice. And the fourth being using a great app called PDF Gear. And this is our preferred method, and you will see why. So let's start with method number 1, which is editing these in Google Drive. I've created a test PDF here. Let me close that. I've created a test PDF right there, and this is it. As you can see, this is a test PDF. This is a heading. This is a cute dog. It's a happy looking boy right there. And this is some more text. Okay, so let's go ahead and minimize this and let's edit this in Google Drive. And you're going to see this is not our preferred method because it will create some formatting problems. So you just go to Google, go to Drive, and we're in Google Drive. Go to New. The first thing we have to do is get this file in the Google Drive. So go to File, Upload. There's our PDF. Okay, and as you can see, our test PDF has just uploaded into Google Drive. So let's refresh Google Drive, and there it is. Right-clicking right there, and it gives me this Open With option. So I'm going to open this with Google Docs. This is the only way to do this in Google Drive. And this is going to open, and there is our PDF in an editable Google Doc. I'm going to dismiss that. Now, this is here are our headings. This is a cute dog, still cute. There's some more text. You can probably already see that there are some formatting issues with this, but we can edit it. So I'm gonna go right here. This is some more text. This is even more text. And now to turn this back into a PDF, just go to File, Download, download it as a PDF, save as. Now for our purposes, so we can compare, I'm going to call this test PDF Google Drive. I'm going to save this. And let me X out of that so we can put them side by side here. This is our Google Drive one. Now, as you can see, everything is there. We have our headings, we have our text, we have our cute dog, but you can see some formatting problems. You can see how the fonts are different. Like in these headings, like for example, font sizes, and some spacings are off. So that is why doing this in Google Drive is not our first choice. So what our second option is, and we're going to do that now, is to edit this in Microsoft Word. So editing this in Microsoft Word, assuming you have Office 365, is simple. Just go ahead and go down to your Start menu, go ahead and open up Word, and we're going to go to Open. I'm going to go to Browse. Let me get back to my desktop. Here we go. I'm going to open up our test PDF. We're going to get this warning letting us know that editing PDFs in Word can lead to formatting issues. Hit OK. And as you can see, we have everything. I'm going to go ahead and add some more text right here. This is even more text. Okay, period. Now we need to save this back into a PDF. Go to File, go to Save As, not Save, Save As. For your format, choose PDF, go to Browse. I'm going to save this back to the desktop. I'm going to call this one Test PDF MS Word. So then that way, again, we can do a side-by-side comparison. Let's save that. Now this is our Word version. This is our original. That's the Google one. Let's put Word in the original side by side here. And as you can see, we've got some spacing problems in there. You see the spacing up above the header, how it got decreased in Word. So again, if you edit a PDF in Microsoft Word, especially something more complex than this, you can see how those formatting problems would start to compound pretty quickly. So while you can edit these documents in Word, it is not our first solution. Okay, so let me not save that. This is going to bring us to option number 3, which is to edit a PDF file in LibreOffice. LibreOffice is a free online, not online, I'm sorry, it's a free Office program comparable to Microsoft Office. It's open source. It's free to anybody. So to get LibreOffice, just go to Google LibreOffice. Go ahead and go right here. And again, you'll be able to download this free of charge. I have already downloaded LibreOffice for the purposes of this video, so let me go ahead and open it. And this is what the home to the LibreOffice suite looks like. So what we're going to go ahead and do is open our PDF. Open up our test PDF. Now, you notice this opened up in LibreOffice Draw, which is the LibreOffice art program. It's not opening in a word processor like we had with Google Drive or in Microsoft. So instead, this is opening in Draw. And I can click on that. And it gives me the option to edit, edit this as I see fit. I'm going to go ahead and add in, this is even more text. There we go. And now we need to save this back into a PDF. So now if I go to save as, you'll notice that I don't have the option to save this as a PDF in LibreOffice. So instead what I need to do is export this. So I'm going to go over to File. I'm going to go over to Export, Export as PDF. I'm just going to go ahead and export it. And let's go ahead and call this Libre. Let's save that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and X out of this. I'm not going to save any of my changes right here. So let's open up our LibreOffice version of this document. Let's compare that to the original. And again, notice we have quite a few formatting problems. Fonts are off, spacings are off, like et cetera, et cetera. So again, you can edit a PDF in LibreOffice. We really prefer not to. So this brings us to our preferred solution, which is a great app called PDF Gear. So to get PDF Gear, just go to Google, look up PDF Gear, and here you go. Again, this is a free app, and it does not require you to sign up or subscribe. It's a free download, and it's very feature rich. It's been trusted by some pretty large companies, as you can see right here. It's available on Windows. It's available on your iOS devices, iPhone, iPad. It's available on a Mac, and it's also available on Android. So in other words, you can get PDF Gear on pretty much any device that you're using, and it's a free download. And so I have already installed PDF Gear for the purposes of this video. So I'm going to get this open. Now, once we're here, you can see it's very feature rich. We can convert, to and from PDFs. We can merge documents. It's just got a lot of different options. So let's go ahead and open a file. I'm going to open up our test PDF. And here we go. I'm not going to set that to my default right now. And again, you see everything is here. Now you'll notice right away, if you go to click, I'm not getting any options to edit anything. So what I'm going to do is go up here to my edit option. And you see you get a lot of different options for editing this. You can work with watermarks, you can add links, change colors. I mean, you can do pretty much whatever you want with this document. I'm just going to edit some text for right now. You notice how it created text boxes around my text areas. So I am going to go ahead and go over here. This is even more text. Now, you notice our font's a little off from the original. That's because the default font that was in this application was different than what the document had in it. But all I need to do to correct that is go ahead and highlight this. Go ahead and change it to your same fonts, and that's going to correct your font problems. So that is all done. Now you are going to go up here, exit editing. Yes, I want to save my changes. Okay. So there we go. Now we're going to go up to File. You can save or you can save as. If you save, you're going to edit the original PDF. So you can either alter the original PDF or create a fresh copy with your changes made. For our purposes, I am going to go ahead and create a fresh copy with Save As. So test PDF, PDF Gear. Okay, let's X out of that. Let's X out of the application. And here we go. Let's do a side-by-side comparison. And as you're going to quickly see, this carried over perfectly. We don't really have like any formatting issues or anything. This is why PDF Gear is our preferred method for editing PDFs without paying additional money or subscribing to additional services. If you found this video, please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you'd like to see anything else discussed, please say so in the comments below. And we will see you at the next video.